Now, did you know that you can make your own anti-aging facial moisturizer at home? All you need is some good ingredients that contain anti-aging properties. Good ingredients like aloe vera gel and oils that are rich in vitamin A. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm actually going to show you how to make an anti-aging facial moisturizer at home. How I personally made my anti-aging facial moisturizer at home using all natural ingredients. So do not click off, continue watching for the full detailed recipe, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to apply your anti-aging moisturizer on your face, your neck and décolleté for maximum result. Now, to make our anti-aging collagen boosting moisturizer, I'm going to be using a base, and my base of choice is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel make a great base for any of your DIY beauty products. Now, we are going to be using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and we're going to pour this in. Now, what I like to do, I like to just mix the aloe vera gel. I'm basically just waking it up, and I'm gonna use some liquid in this, some water-based liquid, and my liquid of choice is gonna be some rose water. Rose water helps to hydrate the skin and also balance the natural pH levels of the skin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using about a tablespoon of the rose water, pouring this in the bowl with the aloe vera gel. Now I'm gonna mix the two together, totally dissolving the aloe vera gel in the rose water. What you're gonna notice is that it's gonna get really thick, and that is exactly why we are using the store-bought aloe vera gel. So 1 tablespoon of rose water and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Because this aloe vera gel is so thick, it's just gonna soak up all that rose water, and what you're gonna left with is a gel-like consistency of the aloe vera gel. 2 amazing ingredients to use as a base for your anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now I'm gonna be adding some oils to this, and the oils I'm using are gonna be rich in vitamin A. These are the anti-aging facial oil. So I'm gonna be using just 3 oils, and you can use any 3 or any 2 anti-aging facial oil. My first oil is gonna be some rosehip seed oil, and this is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Rosehip seed oil is great for boosting collagen and elastin in the skin. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon or so of the rosehip seed oil. Pouring this in my little bowl right here, and take a look at my next oil. This is sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is a collagen boosting oil, great for most skin type. Now, sesame seed oil, we're looking for the unroasted sesame seed oil, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I'm gonna use about a half a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil, pouring that in the bowl with the rosehip seed oil. Now take a look at this oil, guys. I know some of you are not aware that this is a collagen boosting oil. This is the Jamaican black castor oil. Many people use this for hair growth, but did you know that this is amazing for the skin? Restore collagen and elastin in the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates the skin, and if you have very dry skin, this is the oil for you. Not only that, if you are looking to get rid of hyperpigmentation from the skin, this is another oil that you can use. This is a very rich oil, and a little goes a long way. So all we're using is about a half a teaspoon of the Jamaican black castor oil. Now you can also choose to use the white castor oil if that's what you have. And we are just going to mix all the 3 oils together. However, I have one optional oil for this recipe, and it is some coconut oil. If you're looking to clear pigmentation on the skin, if you are looking to get rid of dull skin, if you have very dry skin, go ahead and use the coconut oil in this recipe also. It works as a humectant on the skin. It locks that moisture in the skin and keep your skin hydrated all night long, since this is more so a nighttime moisturizer. So here we have the the oils and we're mixing well. We're mixing rosehip seed oil, sesame seed oil. We're also mixing some castor oil and some coconut oil, and we are mixing well. Now we also have another oil that we're going to use, and you're going to use this oil in most of your DIY skincare remedies. This is some vitamin E oil. Help to keep the skin hydrated. Not only that, so help to keep your DIY a little longer. Help to keep bacteria out of your homemade remedies. So we're just going to pour about half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil depending on your IU. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. If you do not have all these oils, not to worry. Use any 3 of your favorite oil to make this anti-aging facial oil. What you need to concentrate on is using oils that are rich in vitamin A. And take a look, this is our oil blend. Now we're going to reach back for our aloe vera mixture, and remember this is aloe vera and rose water. And now we're just going to pour the oil in. If you pour the oil in the aloe vera gel before you had the rose water, it's not going to mix as well as if you do it the way I'm doing it right here. So now that we have our oil, we're gonna just mix, and we are gonna mix well. This is gonna be creamy. You can also choose to mix this in the blender, but it's not necessary. If you have the time, just go ahead and do what I'm doing here. I'm just mixing it into a nice creamy consistency. Now you can choose to pour this in a bottle with a pump, or you can choose to pour this in any open mouth jar like I'm doing here. So now let's just pour this creamy goodness out and make sure to get everything out. This is such an amazing moisturizer that you can actually make your own by adding your favorite anti-aging oil. Now here are some other oils that you could use. You can use cacao oil, you can use the bakuchiol oil, you can also use the camu in this. You can actually use some soybean oil. You can also choose to use some carrot seed oil, papaya seed oil. Any of those oils will work well. Look how rich. Now guys, all you need from this is a few drops on your skin, preferably at night. You want this to work while you sleep, and you just want to just massage this on the skin.